Hello patrons! How's it going, guys? Time to do the giveaway drawing for the shredded British pound money pen blanks for you guys. So the cool thing is I made 12 of those pen blanks initially, and I set aside the 6 best for the patrons for you guys. So the other ones went to the YouTube winners. So the cool thing is you guys are going to get the best ones, and you guys got a really good shot of winning too. So there's going to be 2 winners. Each one is going to win 3 pen blanks, same as I did on YouTube. So how this is going to work, I'm going to head over to the computer. I'm going to enter you guys' names into, make a list and then put a number by everybody's name. And I'm going to use a random number generator to pick 2 of you guys to win. So let's head over to the computer and pick the winners. So congratulations to OJ and Malcolm for winning the pen blanks. I'll be getting those things out to you real soon. So big thank you to everybody on Patreon helping support the show over here. I really appreciate you guys' support, and we're going to be working on rolling out some new stuff over here on Patreon. So if you didn't see the post where I was asking about a live stream that's dedicated to you guys only, only you can access it, exclusive, kind of a live Q&A/hangout just with you guys and me. If you didn't see that post, go over there and you can vote still. So far, everybody said yes, so I'm pretty much, we're going to be doing this. So there'll be more details. I'll let you guys know exactly how that works when we figure it out. The other thing is we need to figure out a day and a time that works, hopefully for everybody, but at least, we need to find something that'll work for most people over here. So I'm going to probably put a post down. Actually, why don't you guys down in the comments of this post, let me know what would be a good day of the week and what would be a good time for you. And I'll just try and kind of collate all that data and figure out what, paint a picture of when this is going to work best. My idea is what I'm going to do is replace one of the YouTube live streams that I do now. I do one every week. We're just going to replace one week, and it'll just be, exclusive for you guys. So no YouTube one, but it'll be a Patreon one. So that's what I have in mind. And the way that I have it in my head, how this is going to work, what I want for this is I want to be accessible to you guys directly. If you have questions, if you want to see something done, I can, do it, live for you guys. And it'll be like where I'm totally focused on the chat. Whereas the YouTube ones right now, I'm really not totally focused on the chat at all. I'm doing stuff. And if I catch a question, I answer it. If I see a comment, fine, but I miss a lot of them because it's going by so fast. So I want it to be more like we're hanging out together and I'm helping you guys if you have questions, or we can just kind of have some fun. If nobody really has any, burning questions or anything like that, then we can just do some casting and have some fun. But either way, I want to give you guys access. Like I said, I think once a month would be pretty cool. Hopefully it'll be set up where you guys, if you do miss it, you can go back and watch it if you want. But like I said, more details, I got to figure all that stuff out down the road. Now, in addition to the live streams, keep your eyes peeled for some more exclusive content for you guys. That's the other thing that I've been trying to get, in the habit of doing more often. But I do plan to do this. So what I was thinking is I can't really do more videos. I barely can get the videos that I do put up on YouTube done. But what I can do is give you guys behind the scenes looks and what am I working on? What kind of challenges maybe did I face with this? What things did I learn today? Whatever. We'll just kind of talk about what my thoughts are, what's going on in the shop, and kind of keep you guys in the loop on what's happening. So be looking for that over here on Patreon. And again, with the live streams, make sure down in the comments of this post, let me know what day and what time will work best for you for the live streams. So I can kind of compile that, figure out a good time so we can start setting that up. Then once I just get the little logistics problem, how to get it private, but get you guys, easy access, then we'll start launching them. So it should be pretty cool. I'm excited about this. So big congratulations to Malcolm and OJ for winning the pen blanks. They'll be on their way to you soon. So again, thank you guys all for all the support, and I'll see you soon.